Heather with Live with Heather G, and I'm here because I have another one of my newer favorite boxes. Well, I should say a tube. So it is the test tube, and I have only gotten this once. I really like it. It's $29.99 a month, and actually no, it's like bi-monthly, so every other month you get this. But the last one I really loved. So we'll see how this one is. Let's see if I have any cards. Ooh, there is a product in here that probably didn't fit in the tube. They always give you a couple little cards. I'm not sure what this one's for. Ad, I guess, not really anything amazing. The test tube. Oh, it just tells you like to scan this and you can get the products and the value. But I'll just link that in the video as I'm doing it. So, first product that is not in the box, it says it's a pleated face mask. And that is funny. Look, get off at 20 or get 20% off your first order. Anyway, it's a face mask. So, one size fits most. Open this up and see how cool it is. It looks like it's in a green color and it looks a little fancy. Should I try it on? Oh my goodness. It is a fancy face mask. I like it though, it's cute. It's super stretchy. It almost feels like a, oh yeah, here we go. Cute, but yeah, it has some stretch to it. It brings out my eyes because it's green, so I like that. That's cute. You know, and right now it's crazy, but as much as I've been wearing face masks, I actually like getting that. All right, so let's get into the tube. My hair, I don't know if anybody else has this issue, but every time I put like lip gloss on, I get little hairs and they just like want to gravitate and stick on my lips. Okay, this is harder to open than I thought. So here is the products. They all fit in there nicely. Let's see what kind of interesting things we have today. Okay, so the first thing I have is that East 29th. But I just got this, I think, in my Kinder Beauty. Either my Kinder Beauty or my Allure. You want to check that video out. I think I got this in there. But it sounded like heaven. Let me see. Yeah, it just says after cleansing, massage a few drops into your skin before morning and at night. It's supposed to help with hydration, texture, and tone and firming with elasticity and smoothing wrinkles. So yeah, that sounds like amazing. I remember thinking, I think it was my Allure, but I thought, oh, that sounds really good. I may give this one to my sister, Candy, on Crazy AIDS Life to try, since I already have a full bottle I just received. I can't go through two really quick, so we'll try that out and let you know what we think. I love serums. So next item I have is an anti-pollution sleep mask by Save. That's interesting. Anti-pollution. It says to use 2 to 3 times a week, so it's not all the time, but like a sleep mask. Awesome. And that looks like it might be a natural brand too, but I'm not positive. I'll have to look that up. But that looks really good. Okay. Not sure what this is. A Manicadar Refreshing Facial Mist. Oh, that sounds good. I have one that I've been using from Glow Recipe, I think. Is their watermelon facial mist. I'm gonna open this one because I like facial mist. And you know, summer's coming up, so it's always nice to have something refreshing to take to the beach and spray yourself. So I'm gonna do it now just so I can smell it. Yeah, it has a very light, pretty scent. It says ready, set, renew. So I don't know if it's a setting spray too. Soothes refresh tired skin with sea minerals, refreshing face mist. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up and leaves you ready to take on the day. It's hard to read on there. It's a very, anyways, that's really pretty. So a facial mist. What's next? Oh. So it's the U Beauty Resurfacing Compound, which I just, and this is a small size. I did receive the full size in my Allure last month, and I have been using that and absolutely, so far, love it. So I'm gonna open this, see how the size compares to mine. Oh yeah, very small size. I mean, this is like travel size. So maybe that would be really good. Again, I know I always talk about travel. But really good thing to just throw in your bag when you're traveling instead of having to take the full size. So I will be keeping this. I do like getting travel sizes sometimes. I mean, I love to get the full size, don't get me wrong. But when you like a product and then you get it in sample too that you can travel with it, it's great. Okay, so it looks like I have a sample in here. And this is the La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Serum, which I just got sunscreen from them. So I haven't tried it yet because I planned on saving that for this summer. But I will definitely try this. And again, this is just a sample that was thrown in here. Next thing is from ADA Lip and Beauty, a 96% natural lip scrub, a 2-in-1 convenient stick to hydrate your lips for everyday softness. And it looks like this could be a natural brand as well because it has all the cruelty-free, vegan, natural, no GMOs, gluten-free on the side. And again, I think, you know, these boxes are so hard to get open that I ripped them. I like to save some of these things for giveaways once in a while, but I ruined all the boxes. Anyways, this cute little, oh, that is cute. Oh. It's like a chapstick, it looks like, but with a scrub. I feel like I've gotten something similar like this before. But that, again, good for summer when you're not really wearing makeup, but you want your skin to look good and your lips to be soft. Last thing is, I'm having a hard time reading these packages today, but this looks like a toothpaste. It says Jasmine Mint by Marvis. And this looks like a natural brand as well. And I did just get some samples of some natural toothpaste in one of my, I think it was my Kinder Beauty last month. And I've been using them. These are good as well for travel, but also it's nice to try new brands. So that is what I got. You'll have to let me know down below what you think of this box with the tube. I keep calling it a box. It's really just a tube, but same thing, I guess. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite product that I got? And if you get this tube, what do you think about it? And we will see you guys next unboxing. Bye.